So, this is John Rochelow. I am at All Saints Church, Peterborough, New Hampshire, down in the basement. And there's the new oil line I connected to that existing filter. Changed the cartridge while I've been here replacing the boiler and controls and circulators, etc. And we'll go in the boiler room, burner's running. Turn that right off so we can hear. Anyway, we got a couple of Honeywell AQ 2000 series, I believe. First time I've used those. Pretty functional relay and zone control that has a lot of interesting features. And I won't get into those, but anyway, of course, we got a Tecmar 256 outside temp. Today it's about 4 o'clock on the 10th, I believe this is, of January. And 130 degrees boiler temp. 135 is the target. There's a 15 degree differential, so that's why there's a 5 degree spread now and the burner's not running, even though the burner symbol is, how do you say that in liquid crystal display? Illuminated or present. And back to that. So I got some of my own inventions on this job, and there's the boiler makeup water for that Apollo backflow preventer and automatic fill valve. And heating supply zone 1. There's my high strength bronze, no lead circulator flanges. Use them for heating hydronic or potable water. And my supply and return. That's my accessories tee right there, street fitting. And that and the flange is patent pending. And you put a flange on this end and have all the functionality you need. Street flange, street tee. You can swap them. You can put one of these on each end. You wouldn't want to put a flange on each end, most likely, unless you're piggybacking a couple of circulators together, but who does that really? I put in my own preferred gauges, the ones that come with this Buderus G215 3-section. GB is an aluminum boiler, so I mistakenly blurted that out. And that's my instruction holder down there. And we'll put a designation plate in there that'll look just like these nickel-plated handles. And we got to get these guys for zone 6. And the blue handles depict cooler return water temperatures coming back. And of course the red is the hot going out. And these aluminum, anodized red aluminum handles actually go very well with these Grundfos Alpha circulators. And you can see one running there at zone 4. And the legend, there'll be a zone legend on that instruction holder down there that will tell you what part of the building zone 4 is. So I'll do another video then when I get it in a couple of weeks. But for now, I just finished this job and we got inspected by Joseph, the chief, here in Peterborough, New Hampshire. So over and out for now. Oh, we're going to put a boiler drain function designation on that handle. I don't use the boiler drains that come with these boilers because they're garbage. Please, Buderus, be smart. Your gauges, your peripherals, the relief valve, the boiler drains leave little to be desired. And I got proof. Anyway, we won't get into that too much. And of course the pressure gauge wants to go right there. And so I supply glycerin filled gauges with my systems. Of course that's not a glycerin filled gauge. I don't know what the blue measuring column there, I don't know what that liquid is. But I like the gauge, even though it's made in China, and I won't buy them again because of that. But I'll put in something like that, like a Weiss, Weiss gauge made in New York. So all my stuff is made in the United States, and we will be selling this stuff very shortly. Anyway, over and out.